Look out your window, and the world feels permanent. Every day the sun rises, the oceans stay reliably locked in their basins, and the continents don't appear to move an inch. But that stability is an illusion, created by our short lifespans. On a cosmic scale, this planet is in a state of constant, volatile transformation. To see this, we have to look past the next century, or even the next millennium. We have to fast forward 1 billion years into the future, watching the very forces that built our world actively work to dismantle it. This destruction happens in a layered sequence, driven by 3 distinct agents of deep time, operating on entirely different scales. The first era covers the next 1,000 to 1 million years. For us, this is everything, the window where human civilization, artificial intelligence, and our technology evolve. During this period, our descendants might establish permanent settlements on other planets, or we could disappear from the fossil record entirely. Yet, despite how massive these societal shifts feel to us, the Earth itself barely registers our presence. Even 1 million years from now, the oceans will still fill their current basins, the continents will hold their shape, and the moon will look identical to the one we see tonight. Humanity is a surface-level phenomenon. The planet does not need us to survive, and it will continue its journey with or without us. Push forward to the second era, 10 to 100 million years from now. Human history fades, and the Earth's crust becomes the dominant agent of change. The ground beneath us moves only centimeters every year, but compounded over millions of years, these tiny movements fracture continents and slam them together. Oceans will close, and massive mountain ranges will be thrust into the sky as plates collide. This geographical rearrangement dictates ocean currents and global temperatures, destabilizing the environments that current ecosystems rely on. We know this biological turnover is inevitable because it has happened repeatedly in the past. Asteroid strikes and intense volcanic periods have routinely wiped out dominant species. On a geological timescale, permanence is impossible. Every coastline and every species alive today is destined to be replaced by something alien. Then we reach the final and most powerful agent of change, 500 million to 1 billion years into the future, the evolution of our sun. As a main sequence star ages, it inherently becomes more luminous, pumping steadily increasing amounts of energy into the Earth. This creates a planetary chain reaction. As incoming solar energy rises, Earth's average surface temperature spikes right along with it, hyper-accelerating the water cycle. Intense heat triggers a mechanism called the silicate weathering thermostat. A hotter Earth accelerates the geological weathering of rocks, a process that aggressively scrubs carbon dioxide out of the atmosphere. When carbon dioxide levels drop too low, plants eventually lose the physical ability to perform photosynthesis and suffocate. Without plant life, the entire food chain collapses, starving all complex animals and unraveling the global ecosystem. The final physical blow comes when temperatures rise so high that the oceans lose stability. The surface water evaporates into space, leaving the planet dry. The sun will force Earth to regress, stripping away forests and complex animals, and returning the planet to a world of simple microbial life. Fast forward 1 billion years from now, our beautiful Earth will be an incredibly hot, unrecognizable, and aggressively drying rock. Billions of years after that, the sun enters its final act as a massive red giant, violently engulfing the inner planets, starting with Mercury. Where will we be? Humanity may have disappeared entirely, or perhaps our descendants will be a spacefaring species, looking at this dead planet only as their ancestral home. This billion-year progression defines the physical limits of Earth's life cycle, marking the specific, delicate window of stability we happen to occupy. Earth is extraordinary exactly because it is temporary. For a brief cosmic moment, the conditions aligned perfectly, and we are lucky to possess the consciousness to witness it.